Hi guys, you are welcome once again over here on this platform, and today in this video I want us to explore around this place. And as you can see, we are around Kiswe Dam. You get me, almost close to Adabraka. So I want us to explore around this place. Then after that, we are going to cross the road or the street. So when we cross the street, we are going to walk straight to the top where Cocobod is. So guys, I want you guys to join me whilst we move around this place to that place. You get me? If you're interested in this exploration, and also if you're interested to see places, please, then you have to tap on the subscribe button to support us on this channel. Yes, it's very important. You have to follow us for content like this. So as you can see, we are on the street, so let's move on. Then after that, we are going to cross it, and as you can see, we are crossing the street. So that is it, and this is the main street that leads to it's a very big crossroad that leads to Circle and also Tudu. But we are moving from this place to Cocobod. So we are moving straight. We are walking straight from this place to the top where Cocobod building is. So guys, join me as we explore around. Let's go. So guys, we are in Cocobod. So we are in front of this Cocobod building, and as you can see, that's the building over here. That's the right top. So that's it. So as you can see, traders over here are very busy, and also a lot of people are also busy looking for a vehicle to their destination. So guys, just we have to end this video right here. We always don't want our videos to be long. We want it to be very short for you to watch, to explore and experience how African markets looks like. So I would like to end this video over here. Thank you very much for watching the full video. Thank you very much for watching the full video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video with your friends. See you in our next video.